Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on tipping on your checkout page on Shopify. So if you're offering a service, consulting, or whatever it is that you're offering and you want to include tipping so that your customers can tip you somehow, then let me show you how to turn that on. Go to settings while you're in your Shopify dashboard. And once you're here, you want to go ahead and go towards the section that says checkout. Click on the checkout. Now on the checkout, you will find these features that allow you to modify what's been showed on the checkout page. And if you scroll down towards the bottom, you'll find one that says tipping. You can simply show tipping option on the page by check this box and you can set it, right? So you can set the percentage that can be, it's currently set. Once you enable, it's going to show 10%, then the preset, 2, and then the preset 3. You can change these to whatever percentage you want. So that could be, for example, 5%, the first one, then the next one can be the 10%, and then this one can be 20%, right? So you can basically choose that. Then once you do, you have the option as well to hide tipping option until customer choose to add a tip. Then you can go ahead and have this as well. It's really up to you, or you can leave it like that. Once you're satisfied, just simply click and save, and that's going to be added to your Shopify checkout page. And that's how you turn on tipping or set up the tipping feature on your Shopify checkout page. And that's it, guys.